There are several ways to make money using copyright-free videos. Monetize your YouTube channel. You can create a YouTube channel and upload copyright-free videos on it. Then, you can enable monetization for your videos, which will allow you to earn money from ads that play before or during your videos. Sell your videos. You can sell your copyright-free videos on stock video marketplaces such as Shutterstock, Adobe Stock, or Pond5. These platforms allow you to earn a commission every time someone downloads your video. Create video tutorials. You can create video tutorials on a specific topic using copyright-free videos. You can then sell access to these tutorials on your website or on platforms such as Udemy. Create social media ads. You can create social media ads using copyright-free videos and target specific audiences. You can charge clients for creating and managing their social media ads. Create video intros and outros. You can use copyright-free videos to create unique video intros and outros for clients. You can charge clients for creating and customizing these videos. Remember to always check the terms of use for the copyright-free videos you're using to ensure that you're allowed to use them for commercial purposes.